Hi guys, Papa K here, back for part 2 of the Vape Kitchen E-Juice review. Right, I've now got these 3 30ml large bottles of E-Juice. Right, the 30ml bottles come in a glass bottle like this. Oh, bloody camera. Right, go on. We've got Vape Kitchen Dripper Sauce. This is 30pg, 70vg. This is lemon and lime. 3 milligrams nicotine. We've got all the compliance stickers, lot numbers, best before. Yeah, everything's on there. Child safe caps. It's also got a dripper in there as well. Well, there's dripper sauce. So we've got lemon and lime, which is 3070. We got peaches, which is 3070. And we got chai tea, which again is 3070. Yeah, so 70 VG. Right. Brand new battery, brand new wicks. Let's start with lemon and lime. Hope you enjoyed the first part. Put them up last night. Oops. Well, for 70 VG, this is very thick. Wow, very thick. Oh, that's sharp. Very sharp, very lemon and lime. Lemon and lime, yeah. Oh yeah. I think this one's going to be very refreshing. Oh, that's a really... That's 70 VG, because that is very thick. Oh, a bit like me. Oh dear. Yeah, that's taken ages for my cotton to soak that up. Come on. Eventually, at some point, my cotton will soak up this juice. All at the moment I can smell is fresh cotton. Oh, excuse me. Right. Right, so this is lemon and lime. Here we go. That's a bit too sharp to lung inhale. A bit too sharp to lung inhale. Yeah. If you want a juice to clean your palate, this is probably the one. This is very astringent, very acidic. It's not got a lot of sweetness in it at all. Excuse me. Even though it's a dripper sauce, I'd probably put that in a tank. I'm actually struggling to lung inhale that. Mouth to lung, it's fine. Getting nice. I'm tasting the lemons, I'm tasting the limes, and I'm getting a really good throat hit, but it's a really strong throat hit, even though it's only 3 milligrams nicotine. But I'm getting a really strong throat hit with this, and I think that's because of the acidicness of the lemon and lime. You couldn't use this for cloud chasing. It catches you right there. Yeah, mouth to lung, it's fine. It's really smooth, and it's smooth, but you're getting that throat hit you would expect from, say, a high PG or from a higher nicotine. But that's probably due to the acidicness, as I said. Yeah. Personally, I'm not too keen on this one. Not my cup of tea. I'm not really keen on these sort of sharp flavours. So we'll move on, okay? But that's lemon and lime. Okay then, on to the next juice. That we have peaches. Some peaches. Got some fresh cotton. Get this bottle open. These child caps are really, really good. There we go. Right, peaches. Now that smells nice. Oh yeah, I do like a good peach juice. Just straight away fresh peaches. Let's drip it up. Now this one's the same as the lemon and lime, 30-70, but my cotton's taking it much, much better. Much better. Soaking straight into the cotton. Right, so here we go. That's better. That's a much smoother. That's not as acidic or sharp as lemon and lime. I mean, some people out there, all tastes, are individual. We've all got different likes and dislikes. The lemon and lime's just not for me, but it might be for some people. But peaches, that's nice. That's a really smooth, fruity. Very nice. It's just like fresh peaches. It's the only way to describe it. That's lush. Very nice. It's producing really good vapour as well for a 30-70 VG. Yeah. Thumbs up to that one. Yeah, that's more my liking. Got the sweetness, very sweet, lovely fruity peachy flavour. You're getting that nice, rich, sweet peach in the inhale, and exactly the same in the exhale. It's a very well balanced vape. Yeah. Right. Once it's clear, on to the next juice. Okay guys, on to the last juice that I've got from Vape Kitchen, and this is chai tea. Now, I don't like tea. I hate tea, in fact. I like coffee. So, this should be interesting. But that's not tea. Although I admit, I have had chai tea once before. Now, the chai tea I had spices in it, chilies, and it was alright. It's not something I drink every day, so this is going to be very interesting. A chai tea E-Juice. Let's get it dripped up. I'm just hoping there's not strong chilies in it. There we go. Right. Yeah, I can taste the nutmeg. I can taste the mixed spice. I'm getting no tea though, thankfully. Actually, no. Saying that, I'm getting a little after hint on the exhale. I'm getting a little tea flavour, almost like a green tea, but you're getting the spices and the nutmeg, and you're getting those sort of warm flavours combined with the tea as well. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. Definitely getting lots of oriental spice in there. It's when I did have that cup of chai tea many weeks ago, this is the same. It's got the exact same flavour. As I said, I don't like tea. Not a cup of tea like PG Tips or Thai food. Ugh, don't like it. But green tea, I could put up with. But this, with the mixed spices in it, the nutmegs, yeah, this is very nice. This is very pleasant. In fact, I'm going to drip it again. There we go. If you're into exotic flavours and you want something a bit different, this chai tea is probably right up your street. As I said, I don't like tea, but this is nice. This is very Moorish, very pleasant. Okay then, so that's all the Vape Kitchen juices I've done. We did the Taffy's custard, we did the contraband custard, we did the honey pot, we did the apple strudel, I've done the peaches, the chai tea, and the lemon and lime. The only one that I didn't like, personally, was the lemon and lime. Just wasn't for my palate. But as I said before, some of you out there might enjoy the lemon and lime. It's probably right up your street. The chai tea, I'm extremely surprised with. I was actually dreading, that's why I left it to last. I wasn't looking forward to tasting the chai tea, but actually I'm pleasantly surprised. It's very nice. So yeah, thumbs up to that, Tom. Yeah, cool. So yeah, Vape Kitchen. So it's http://vape.kitchen. That's it. And you can buy all the juices on their website, and you can also get them from brick and mortar store listed on the website as well. I know that, as I said before, my local vape shop, K-Vape Nuki, they supply the Vape Kitchen range. So again, big thanks to Tom Hale. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye!